Cultural identity, it starts at home, it starts in the whare for our tamariki. This message is still true today, 2 years after I made that original video. Now, towards the start of this year, I wrote a newsletter post about the dangers of performative culture. Now, if you are someone that does not have a strong cultural identity, a connection to your culture from your own identity, you can get caught up in seeing all of the wonderful expressions of Dal Māori, of Māori culture online. And the issue comes about if you create this idea in your head, this subconscious idea in your head, that for you to be Māori, for you to have a cultural connection, you need to be the thing that you see on the screen. What I mean by that is, for someone like me, for example, imagine you're me, no cultural connection, you feel a yearning towards it, you're born and raised in Australia, and you see the top haka performers in the world on your screen, and you create this idea, this subconscious narrative that that's what you need to be to have a cultural identity. It essentially becomes this impossible thing that you can never ever achieve. That's when that feedback loop starts, which is, I need to be that thing, that's too much, I can never get there, therefore I'll never be it, therefore I'm not worthy of my cultural identity. This ties back into what I was talking about. Cultural identity starts at home in the whare, because then you as a parent get to define what cultural identity is for your child. And you can even take a step back and think about this from a macro level. Do I want to instill knowledge about my child's identity into them directly, or do I want to screen doing that? Again, just to reiterate, I'm not saying that seeing Māori culture through a media lens online is a bad thing. What I'm saying is, if you build your identity around you needing to be that, that will become a problem.